I'm gonna mix up a batch of my really simple, sweet sourdough dough for use in a lot of different recipes. So it's a very simple recipe, great for beginning enriched breads. So I'm gonna put my bowl on the scale first, tear it out, and I'm going to add my water for this recipe first. This is 40 grams of water. Okay, 40 grams of water. And then I'm going to tear it again and add 100 grams. There's 40 grams of water, my 100 grams of active sourdough starter. So now I'm going to add my milk. I'm going to add 100 grams of milk. I'm going to add my milk very slowly, just in case, just so I can avoid adding too much. Liquid always is much denser, so it adds up much more quickly. $30 grams of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, 3 grams of salt. Now adding 1 egg and 375 grams of all-purpose flour. So once we add in all these ingredients, we're going to do the mix, and we have not added the butter because that will get incorporated later. So whether you're using a dough hook on a stand mixer or mixing by hand, you want to mix this until it starts to come together and the moisture, it all gets absorbed into the flour. Make sure you're scraping down your bowl in between kneading so that it all starts to gather strength. Continue mixing this or kneading it by hand until it becomes soft and smooth. And we're adding 3 tablespoons of unsalted softened butter. So it takes a while for the butter to incorporate, so you're going to continue kneading. It's very greasy until finally all the butter gets in there and it'll be soft and supple. You can see that it's no longer sticking to the bowl or my hands, so it's time to let it ferment. And during your fermentation, you're going to want to do at least one stretch and fold. That's when you take portions of the dough, pull up and away from the edges of the bowl and fold over itself. So you see, stretch up, and then we want to get those edges off the side of the bowl so that it's nice and clean around the outside of it. And then we're going to cover it and let it ferment for 4 to 8 hours. You want it to double in volume, and so that range of temperature depends on how warm it is. So here it is, doubled, and now we can shape it into all sorts of things. So here are a few examples.